sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jab. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay,
Better change. In rap no work, I'm mad instead of bad for shit to show. Ain't no get up in the hood, I set up shop at any store. Nigga play with me in the
What's up, beautiful queens and kings? It's your girl, She's Unique, and I am biggity back with another video. And today we'll be doing a hair review. As you guys seen, I'll be doing an unboxing, installation, and like a review. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications on so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And please leave all those comments down below. Anything requiring the hair, anything you guys want to know, more videos y'all want to see, please just comment it down below. I got y'all. So let's get into it, because this is the package. So it's actually in a nice, pretty big size bubbler. I don't want to flip the other side because my information is on there. I do want to show y'all the brand sticker that's on there. Charmanty. All right, ooh, let's open this bad boy up. All right, so when you open it, this is what you see.
niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young nigga have emotion.
It says, derived from the French word for charming, charmant. Charmanty is synonymous with exquisite beauty. The brand is anchored in a commitment to quality, sourcing only 100% top quality human hair, each strand meeting the highest standard. Charmanty evolved into more than just a provider of wigs and extensions. It became a movement for self-expression and cultural pride. Offering a diverse range of textures and styles, it caters to individual tastes. I like that. Today, Charmanty stands as a symbol of confidence, diversity, and empowerment. With ambitions to expand into clothing and beauty products, we continue our passionate journey. Join us at Charmanty, where every strand is a piece of a story, and every story is woven with charm. And then it has their website, and again, their information. And I guess on the box, I need to write like the color, the length, the texture. And then we're gonna open the box, which it has like a little flap here. When you open it, it has the wig care instructions, which I'm gonna read to you guys real quick. It says, thank you for choosing Charmanty. Your premium wig is made from 100% top quality human hair. To maintain its longevity and luster, please follow these care instructions carefully. Number 1, detangling. Use a wide tooth comb or a brush designed for wigs, starting from the ends and gently work your way up to the roots to avoid damage. Number 2, washing. Rinse your wig under lukewarm water, making sure the water flows in the same direction as the hair to prevent tingling. That was part A. And then part B is apply a high-quality, sulfate-free shampoo to the hair, gently lathering and massaging the wig cap. C, rinse thoroughly, ensuring that the water flows in the same direction of the hair. Number 3, conditioning. Apply a deep conditioner to the hair, avoiding the cap. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly under lukewarm water. Number 4, pat your wig gently with a clean, dry towel to remove excess water. Never wring or twist the hair. Allow your wig to air dry naturally on a wig stand, away from direct heat or sunlight. Number 5, styling. Once your wig is completely dry, it is ready for styling. Feel free to use heated styling tools such as flat irons, curling wands, and blow dryers. Be sure to apply a heat protectant to the hair before styling, and use low to medium heat settings to avoid hair damage. Number 6, storing. Store your wig on a wig stand or a wig hand when not in use. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, heat, and dust. Number 7, regular care. Wash your wig approximately every 7 to 10 wears, or when it starts to look dull or feel less fresh. Regularly detangle your wig and avoid excessive heat styling to prolong the lifespan of your wig. Proper care will ensure the longevity of your beautiful Charmanty wig. Enjoy the natural beauty and unmatched quality of your new wig. And then that's this here. And then we're gonna get into the contents of the package. So we have the wig, and I love this navy blue case that it came in. This is too cute. It's so convenient because I needed one. We got a wig cap, new wig brush. We also got some lashes and some nail wraps with a wig band from Charmanty, and it has their brand on there, as y'all can see. Now that's the box. The box is empty. I love the packaging. That's very important to me. All right, let's get into the bag. Now we got the wig, and this is what it looks like. It's 26 inches long, and it's in the style deep wave. I'm so excited, y'all. It's so this is what it looks like when you first open it. 3 combs for the frontal part, a comb in the back, and then it has the adjustable straps in the back, and then it also has a wig band. It is really nice. I like that it's not too thick in the front, so I don't have to do like a lot of plucking. And I like the ear-to-ear lace, and there is a decent amount of parting. It goes all the way back to here. Also, all the details will be listed in the link down below in the description. I do have a discount. I can't remember the percentage off as of now, but I will explain it later in the video. Y'all will see, and it'll also be in the description down below and in the comments pinned. So y'all make sure y'all check that out, okay? Make sure y'all follow them on Instagram, and then make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at She's Uniquely Unique.
Sexy to go on protect.
Trying to get it up close so y'all can see the texture and the softness.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here. I like it crowded.
I like that the lace already blends. This is the inside of the wig.
Turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna quickly show y'all all the products that I will be using to install this wig real quick.
I pop out, get ghosts on the bitch, you don't know where I went. They follow my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in and out, spilling in the new designer gear by coaster. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young nigga have emotion, don't make sure the car gets hit a 360, windmill when I left the seat. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jewelry, make a business sex. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for the trap, too sexy for the trap. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, that's fine, okay.
So I'm getting a little creative here because I forgot to get like one of the little mixing bowls, and I don't want to use like none of my good plastic bowls or whatever. But I had this simple from Chipotle, so I just washed it, and I'm about to put the bleach inside of here. And you want it to turn into a icing or like creamy paste texture. So I start off with a little bit, and then I just keep mixing it until I get the texture you're looking for.
They follow my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in and out, spilling in the new designer gear by coaster. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young niggas have emotion, don't make sure the car gets hit a 360, windmill when I left the seat. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jewelry, make a business sex. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for the trap, too sexy
too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gone electric. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay.
For me to do my first time, I think I did pretty good. I tried to like cover the back part up so it's not getting using a towel to dry it. I mean a t-shirt. And then I'm gonna try to dry the inside and the frontal so that I can start styling on the frontal. I could have left it in a little longer, but I can pluck out the knots and make up on the rest. I just know the last time I didn't do it, it over bleached, but just trust the process, y'all. So I can't find my lace spray, my lace powder. So I'm gonna use my airbrush stuff because I know this matches my skin to a T. And I'm sure this gonna be in my hair, but that's alright. I know how to wash my hair, y'all.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay. Section need more things in here. I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing.
Too sexy for this chain. Too sexy.
Okay, I went off camera and I used some air spun setting powder, and that made it look so much better, like just to set it. And I also was thinking if I start sweating, I didn't want anything to drip. But I just got my wig from outside and the inside is pretty dry, and I'm about to blow dry this part again and then hot comb it real quick.
Fred's Merc, some call them smokers. Young nigga had motion, you don't make sure the car get hit a 360. Windmill when I left the seat. That's that action. Her best work on her knees. Too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that trap, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay.
Okay, so my camera died. I finished doing this. Trust the process, y'all. I have to spray down and tie it down. I'm about to do my little edges real quick and then spray.
Alright, that's fine. Okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house.
Good job. I got a hot comb. I could probably pluck a little bit more on this side, but I was in a rush. I was to do my makeup. I had to pin my hair up so I could do my makeup. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look of my hair. Everything done. I am too in love. The lace is melted, and I did this install all by myself. It did take all day. The hair is so soft and curly. Even though I put the mousse in it, it's still not crunchy. Let y'all see the back. I'm in love. I'm so in love. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all how I wrap my hair up before getting in the shower. I use my Charmanty wig band. I literally just put on some even spray, like on wherever it was lifted. It only lifted a very tiny bit, and that's because I sweated at the end of the night. And then I just put the band on it. I only keep this band on while I'm in the shower. Then once I get out of the shower, I take it off and I just put my bonnet on my head, because you want to let your lace breathe, because if not, it can pick up dirt and push back with having that band on too long. I noticed my wigs last longer when I did that.
Money, cars, and all the jewelry, makeup in the city. Too sexy for this chain.
Y'all see how I eat that install off though.